In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word. This feature is very useful when you want to protect your document from unwanted changes while still allowing others to view or make limited edits. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure it's ready for sharing. Once you've finalized the content, go to the Review tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab contains several tools related to document protection and collaboration. In the Review tab, look for the option called Restrict Editing and click on it. When you do this, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you different options to control how your document can be edited. First, you'll see a section for formatting restrictions. If you want to prevent others from changing styles or formatting, you can enable this option. Below that, you'll find editing restrictions. Check the box that says, Allow only this type of editing in the document. Once selected, a drop-down menu will become available. From the drop-down, you can choose the type of editing you want to allow. For example, you can select No Changes if you want the document to be completely read only, or choose options that allow comments or tracked changes. Select the option that best fits your needs. After setting your restrictions, click on Yes. Start enforcing protection at the bottom of the panel. Word will then prompt you to set a password. Enter a password of your choice and confirm it. This step is important because it ensures that only authorized users can remove or modify the restrictions later. Once protection is enabled, your document will be locked according to the settings you selected. Users will only be able to perform the actions you allowed, helping you maintain control over your content. If you need to remove the restrictions later, simply go back to the Restrict Editing panel and click Stop Protection. You'll be asked to enter the password you created earlier. After entering it, full editing access will be restored. Using the Restrict Editing feature is a reliable way to protect important documents, especially when sharing files in professional or collaborative environments. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.